Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to adjust the width of cells manually and automatically in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel, let's get started. For example, I took this small table. As you can see, the information in the columns is so large that it doesn't fit into a standard cell. What can we do? We can adjust the width of the cells manually by pulling the edges of the column, and this needs to be done for each column, which is not very convenient. But there is another more suitable way. Select the entire table or the necessary part of the table, and in the Cells section, select the Format button. Here we select Autofit column width and all columns adjust to the longest cell. But this method has a drawback, namely when adding new cells you have to use this function over and over again since it doesn't work automatically when entering data. And now let's look at the best way to automatically adjust the width of the cell. Go to the name of the spreadsheet, right-click and select View Code. Here we change General to Worksheet and enter the code that you will find in the description as always. We close the window and all the cells are adjusted to the correct width automatically. And now, when we enter information into a new cell, it also adjusts to the entered data automatically. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.